Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to our channel and set the notifications to all. Now, without further ado, let's begin this amazing Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to our channel and set the notifications to all. Now, without further ado, let's begin this amazing...
Hang on to the very end to get the best possible deals. If you find this video fun and informative, we've uploaded a new video. So then, let's get started right away. Lens Kit. Let's kick off with the Lens Kit, which is our number 10 for the day. If you are a photography freak, then this gadget is bound to come in handy to you. While many modern smartphones come with HD cameras, the Lens Kit can further enhance your photography experience. This gadget is an additional camera lens. Its lens can be easily affixed to your mobile phone's back cover. It comes in a wide range of lenses, such as the wide-angle lens, which can be used to expand the photo frame. Another lens is the super macro lens, which is particularly useful when focusing on a particular object. The Lens Kit also offers you the fisheye lens and the telephoto lens. These lenses are designed to boost the optical range of your all-new customized camera. If this gadget caught your attention, then you can buy it using the link given in the video description. Photo Printer. Taking selfies and clicking random snaps is fairly common today. However, we do not quite know what to do when it comes to getting those photos printed. After all, getting them printed can burn a hole in our pockets. Oftentimes, we need to visit professional photography shops to do so, which is a very time-consuming and boring process. So, what if we told you that you need not go anywhere to get a hard copy of your favorite snapshots? You can thank the Photo Printer for that, which happens to be the first and smallest printer in the world. This gadget can instantly print your photographs out. You can use it to produce hard copies of several pictures. As far as the printing quality is concerned, it can easily reproduce high-definition images. All you need to do is connect it to your phone's charging port, and you will be all set to print your photos. Check out the link in the description below to buy this mini printer. Bluetooth speaker. Number 3 on our list is the Bluetooth speaker. We all like listening to music. However, the small speakers in our smartphone are not good enough for loud music. That is where this special gadget proves its worth. This low-cost but high-quality device can enrich your music experience. As its name suggests, the Bluetooth speaker is a wireless device that is even smaller than your smartphone in size. To get started, you simply need to affix its holder to the back cover of your smartphone. Once you have done that, your speaker will be all set to play out your favorite songs. This gadget comes with high-quality speakers. Being a pocket-sized portable device, it is fairly easy to carry around in your pocket. If you think this Bluetooth gadget can enhance your music experience, you can give it a look from the link given in the video description. Phone Floaty. If you are someone who loves beaches or swimming, then this gadget is a must-have for your smartphone. While most modern smartphones are waterproof, retrieving a cell phone lost during one of your swimming sessions can be quite a headache. That is where the Phone Floaty can come to your aid. Acting as your phone's life jacket, this gadget helps your phone stay afloat in water. This device is, after all, a floating material of sorts. All you need to do is adhere this inexpensive yet useful cover to the back of your smartphone. Thereafter, no matter how deep or shallow the water is, it will bring your precious phone back up to the surface. And that's not all. Designed in easily noticeable and fancy colors, the Phone Floaty makes it easier for you to make out your device in the murkiest of waters. So, now you can swim around without having to worry about losing your phone.
Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to our channel and set the notifications to all. Now, without further ado, let's begin this amazing...
Freak out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of